Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to unlock selection in Word. So guys, if you ever encountered that issue, first thing that you will do is simply go to the file over here at the top left corner of the screen. And from here guys, just simply go ahead and go to the info over here. And now from here, just simply click on protect document over here. And guys, make sure the mark as final is turned off. So just simply click on this. And after that, you should be able to fix the issue. And now another option that you have is just simply go to the file again on the top left and go to info and go to protect document and make sure to unrestrict the editing. So click on this. And from here, guys, you should be able to see on the right side, stop protection, and in order for you to turn it off. So now another option that you have is just simply go ahead and go to your local disk C, and after that go to program files and then go to Microsoft Office and go for Office 16 and just simply launch this application. Right click on it and run as administrator, and from there you should be able to fix your problem when you launch your Word. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.